Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Errante broker. You enter the website. You click on Register. In the registration section, you select your account type. Additionally, you enter your title, first name, and last name. In this section, you enter your country of residence. Additionally, you enter your mobile phone number, email address, and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and making it 8 characters or more. After entering the password, you repeat your password for confirmation. In this section, you confirm the website's terms. It's by ticking the box. And click on Continue. A PIN code is sent to your email. You log into your email. You click on the email from Errante and click on Verify your email at the bottom. You enter your account dashboard. In the next video, we will provide a tutorial on how to verify your account on Errante. Good luck!